tender, juicy oven roast pork. You want to see how I achieve this? Just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. So let's head straight to the kitchen. Let's prep this. So here is my piece of pork. This one was from the back leg. Yes, I removed the big bone. That is all meat. And I'm going to wash this with vinegar and season well and allow it to marinate. This was marinating for a week. Then I remember that I have it in the freezer. I take it out overnight, allow it to thaw out, and now we're cooking it. So as you see, I pierce the meat with my knife so the season can penetrate. And for the powder season I'll be using, I'll link them in the description box and I'll also add them on the screen. So just continue watching guys, enjoy the music, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. very tender. Yes, very tender, guys. This is not a special knife. This is just my regular kitchen knife, and it went straight through. So if you enjoyed this one, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment so you won't miss future uploads. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Look at the texture, guys. No dry pork.